In earlier sections, we discussed the three main components of successful diagnostics and repair: coverage, valuable data, and service information. We've discussed all the different ways JPRO brings you comprehensive vehicle coverage and a wealth of valuable data. Now, we're going to talk about understandable and easily retrievable service information. JPRO Professional has an optional feature that provides in-depth service information. While optional, you will see during our discussion that it is an essential tool to make sure you can diagnose and fix every truck every time. If you purchase Next Step with your JPRO Professional subscription, you'll find it located in the middle of your home screen. Next Step is a library of service information that serves as a tie from the fault code to the information source. Next Step information comes from a variety of places. Some is saved on your hard drive. Some you need the internet to be able to access. However, you do not have to be connected to the vehicle to use Next Step. To look up a fault in Next Step, select the fault in the list on the home screen and click on the Next Step icon. And be brought immediately to the overview screen with fault information, vehicle effect diagrams, and more. Not only will you have access to the diagnostic procedure for the fault you clicked in JPRO, all of the other supported faults are listed at the bottom of the window to easily move from one issue to the next. By clicking on the Wiring tab at the top of the screen, you will see detailed, color-coded schematics. You can easily zoom in and out of schematics or print them by using the Print button on the right side of the screen. Let's say you found an issue with a sensor and now you want to find the connector. Choose the Connector option on the left hand of the screen and it will show you the connector associated with that sensor and trouble code. Similar to wiring schematics, you can easily zoom in and out to view details. The next step is troubleshooting to find the root cause of the issue. For that, you will click on the Troubleshooting Tasks tab. There, you will find step-by-step guided instructions to perform troubleshooting tasks on the vehicle. After troubleshooting, you will move to the R&I tab for removal and installation instructions. Let's say, for example, a sensor is defective and needs to be replaced. The R&I tab will provide a full set of instructions for how to remove the faulty sensor and then install a new one. At the bottom of the screen, where supported faults are listed, you can see live vehicle values without having to switch back to JPRO. These values include fluid levels, temperatures, engine speed, voltage, and more. Clicking the bidirectional button on the right side of the screen will open a window with all available bidirectional tests for supported components. Notice on the left side of the window, you can switch between components to view all relevant tests. Without returning to the JPRO main screen or using OEM software, you can clear vehicle faults directly from Next Step. After you finish your troubleshooting and repair processes, click the Clear Faults button in the upper right side of the screen. The fault status will change from active or inactive to cleared. As you can see, Next Step takes you from fault to fix without ever leaving the current diagnostic session. JPRO customers who purchase the integrated Next Step receive free access to the company's online database, Next Step Net. Also available as a standalone solution for use without JPRO, Next Step Net provides easily searchable fault information and troubleshooting guidance. Remember, all this information is available in the JPRO User Guide. For more information or to purchase JPRO, please call our support team or visit us online.